Then, in a public way, the subprime mess started to really unravel here in June. And in June, right about the 12th or so, is when the pound had the first crack in the armor, so to speak. Had a very short rally and then made a beeline for 9,700, prior support from the June move. Through August and September, the market did manage to climb back up, retracing a good portion of the prior down move. But then more subprime woes started to kick in, prompting another fast move down. Again, market managed to pick itself back up into October. And then for most of October, the market literally went nowhere, providing a very nice counter-trend trading environment. And then finally, coming into October, this is when the Fed really started kicking in with their easing language. And then coming into November, you've got a ton of money pumping into the U.S. economy. The Federal Reserve changing to a stance that was more, how should I say this, dumb, in my opinion. Basically, they're saying, well, to heck with the credit, we just don't want the economy to slow down. Forget the fact that their inflation worldwide is probably at stages that I don't think anyone has ever seen. Some countries are at 10% inflation rates, 12% inflation rates monthly. So the Federal Reserve basically is weakening the dollar coming into October. That causes the British pound to, by very nature, make another run up here to $2.10. And then we get more bad housing types of data coming out of Great Britain. Boom, market comes down again. Notice that the rally here, this overall flag pattern which formed coming down was ended coming into, once again, the housing numbers coming out from the pound, and now they're starting to go down. So I think we've got a couple of things going on here. Let's go back up to a daily bar, and you can see that really the dollar's just at an all-time, weak level against all currencies. So I think what we're faced with here is that the dollar in general is getting stronger just because it's been under pressure for so long. I mean, for crying out loud, when you start seeing Newsweek, Forbes, Fortune, all of these business magazines talking about the weakness of the dollar, the odds are that you're going to get the dollar strengthening for a time. I don't anticipate it's going to be long-lasting, but I do believe that the dollar will gain some strength. Let's go ahead and take a look at the euro here. You can see here all-time high pushing up near to $1.50. That's has since relaxed. There's not much support over here for the euro. I mean, this thing, after it moved up off of this trading lane, the euro really started to take off. Let's go ahead and I'll lay a, whoops. So you see there's the top end of the trading lane. You can see the euro really would have to come all the way back down to about 41.15 to get back to this growth angle, if you want to call it that. Let me go ahead and run. We've got a